Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to look at how to trade Forex without money. Yeah, because there's so many people that say they really want to trade the Forex and trade the Forex market, but they don't have any money to put into a trading account. Yeah, they don't have money to actually trade with. So I'm going to give you 4 ways, 4 ways that you can use to actually start to learn trading without money for investment. Yeah, so we're going to go through that in a second, and as well as that, if you want, in a moment, I'm going to give you access to the people that I personally trade with, and that's going to be completely for free. This is 5, 6, 7-figure traders that's going to teach you the strategy that we use. And we just look for 2 simple patterns that are easy to identify, and they're going to show you all of that. They're going to show you exactly what we do and why we do so well on the charts using these 2 simple trading patterns. So I'm going to give you access to that in a second, completely for free. But anyway, let's get back to this. So 4 ways that you can use now to trade Forex without money. And these are 4 things you need to know. The very first thing is, if you're going to trade the Forex, you need to get the knowledge. The knowledge is more important than the money. You know, it really is, because with that knowledge, the money is available if you have the knowledge. And to do that, you need a group. You need a group that's going to teach you, or you need a method that's going to teach you. Most people use things like YouTube. They use YouTube videos to learn, which is... it's okay, but trust me, that there's not very many profitable YouTube people that learn on YouTube without proper mentorship, you know. So this is something this is why I wanted to give you a free week access to the people that I personally trade with. This is the guys here. They get on every single day, Monday through to Friday, on these 1.5-hour webinars, telling you how to trade using the strategy that we use, the 2 simple patterns. And you can ask questions that educate you. So you need that knowledge. You need that knowledge from professionals that are already doing it. Yeah. So this is it. This is what you're going to get access to completely for free if you want to. So, but that's the first thing. Get the right education, and also stick with one mentor or one group. Because there's so many different ways to trade Forex. You can trade smart money, which is what we are. You can trade retail. You can, there's so many, you know, break and retest strategies. There's so many different strategies you can use that if you choose one, stick with that one. Stick with that group of people and just learn that. They all work. They all can work, and they all work if you work them. But make sure you stick with that. What happens is people just want to jump. They go from this YouTube video to this YouTube video, and they're just looking for ways to do all of this completely for free. And basically they end up spending more money than they should have. Yeah. So find a group of people that you resonate with a strategy that you like, and stick with that. That's the first bit of advice I've got for you. The second is use a demo account. So again, you can get an account, MT4 or MT5. Well, MT5 is what most people are getting now, because MT4 is actually going to be made obsolete in about a year's time. That's what they say. So most people are putting MT5. Again, it's a free platform. Okay, let's just take this off. It's a free platform that you can use. And you can also, if you hook it up to your broker, you can also use a demo account, like a $10,000 demo account, $100,000 demo account. So that's not real money. But treat it like it is real money. So when you're learning this strategy, whatever strategy you're using, you can trade it with demo, with you know, not real money. You trade it in the same way you would trade the Forex market, but you're trading it without real money. So you're not losing money when you're not getting it at the beginning. Because most strategies that you learn, you're not going to get it at the beginning. It's going to take you a bit of time until you get it. So do that with demo money. Don't do that with real money. So you don't need to find money to load up an account. Use a demo account initially. The third thing I think is, if you join a group of people, try and get a group of people that actually give you access to either indicators that work, or trading indicators that you can use to actually earn some money initially if you are going to trade an account. Or that they show you what they do, so you can follow their accounts. And this is one of the things we do. We have something we call a weekly outlook. And that's where the leaders get on and they tell you the charts that they personally are going to trade. They mark up the charts in the way that they're personally going to trade if it comes into those positions. So you can just follow that. These are now experts telling you how they're trading. So whilst you're learning the strategy, you can then follow that. As well as that, we also have an indicator, new indicator. We call it quick turn. I'll show it to you on the charts that you just load up on your charts, and this is free as well. You know, if you come and join the group and like it and stay on, you get this free as well. And this just tells you where to trade once you're in a trend, like, and we'll give you things to show you when you're in trends. But can you see this? Look, that's a trade down, trade win, trade there. Do you know? So this can help you get into profit. There's no promise of income, but if you use something like this, it will potentially get you in the positive and take away all that stress about, oh, I've got no money to trade, I've got no money to trade. If you have a strategy that works, you can then use that whilst you're learning the strategy for yourself. Yeah. Okay. And then finally, I would say, if you haven't, when you get the knowledge, which is what, try and hear me on this one. The most important thing, rather than the money to load up an account, is the knowledge. Because once you learn this stuff from these guys or whoever, yeah, and you have knowledge, you can then go to firms. They're called prop firms. This is one of them, but there's loads of them out there. And I'm not promoting this or anything. I'm just saying that I'm just giving you as an example. This is one of them. This is what they call a prop firm. What that means is that they will give you money to trade. Yeah, they will give you have to pass a certain test. You have to get a certain percentage in a certain amount of time. But once you've passed, you get that money to trade. And let me show you the types of money they're giving you. They're starting off at $10,000. Yeah, then $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000. You have to pay for this. Say you want a 10,001. You'd pay to do the exam. But once you have the knowledge, this sort of stuff is not difficult to pass once you know how to trade. That's why the knowledge is the most important thing. Once you have the knowledge, you can go and pass things like this. It wouldn't take you very, very long to pass something like this. They give you a month to get 10%, something like that. Anyway, you'd come and read it. But this one costs €155, which is roughly about £100 or about $120 roughly. And when you pass, they give you $10,000 to trade with, and they give you back that €155 as well once you passed. And every trade you take using their money, their $10,000, you get 90% of the winnings. They get 10. So you can see exactly what I'm saying. It's not about getting the money to load up an account. It's about the knowledge. Now, if you're going to pay for anything, and unfortunately this is the bit that you do have to find a bit of money to pay for if you're going to stay on, I would pay for the knowledge. I would pay for the knowledge, because learning this stuff on YouTube is going to be really difficult because you don't have support, which you get from us. You get regular daily these lives where you can ask questions, and you know, if your things are going wrong, we also have Discord group with over 5,000 people in the group that you can ask questions of, and they will help you along this journey. That's the thing you need, because when that knowledge clicks, then, you know, money's available to you. Money's available to you, do you know? So I hope that helps. I hope those 4 steps help you to understand that you don't actually need money to load your account. I would only get money for the education. That's the bit that's the most important, because that's the most important bit, because this is, I would say this is one of the highest paid skills on the planet. Yeah. But once you have that skill, then, you know, the rest is easy. There's loads of these firms that will just, you know, give you money. They'll throw money at you if you pass their criteria. But anyway, like I said as well, if you want to come and trade with us next week and train with us completely for free, look at this strategy that we teach that shows you just look for 2 simple patterns that are very easy to see on the charts, and you trade off those, and you can come and learn all of that completely for free next week. And get on these lives that are on every single day. You know, all the members get on. This is the exact thing that we use to learn. You know, this isn't something just for you. This is for everybody. This is what we're using. And the leaders get on and they talk about everything. So if you're interested in that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You just click on that link. Once you've opted in, you'll see a video that tells you exactly what you need to do to get onto next week's training, which starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT UK time, and it goes on all through the week, and it has replays and everything. So if that's for you, links will be below this. But either way, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from this as well. If you have any questions at all, anything you want to ask me about trading or about the group or anything at all, then please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.